Across the United States, nature has once again shown its power. From blinding snowstorms in the Northwest to deadly floods and mudslides in California, millions of Americans are facing travel chaos, damaged homes, and dangerous conditions. This is not just bad weather, this is a nationwide emergent. A massive winter storm system swept across large parts of the United States, bringing heavy snow, freezing rain, and powerful winds. In the Northwest, roads turned into sheets of ice. Airports were forced to cancel hundreds of flights. Holiday travel plans collapsed overnight. Families were stranded. Emergency services were stretched thin, and highways became nearly impossible to navigate. Authorities urged people to stay indoors as snowfall piled up and visibility dropped to near zero in many areas. While snow birdered the east, the west faced a different nightmare. In California's powerful atmosphere, river storm unleashed relentless rain. The sogged ground could no longer hold. Mudslides tore through communities. Cars were buried. Homes were flooded up to their windows. Entire neighborhoods were evacuated as rivers overflowed and hillsides collapsed without warning. Emergency crews worked day and night rescuing stranded residents and clearing blocked roads, risking their own lives. Extreme weather doesn't only stop travel, it threatens American supply chain. As temperatures drop and fuel demand surge, delays and deliveries raise serious concern. Heating oil, propane emergency supplies. To prevent shortages, authorities took rare action. The U.S. government and several states issued emergency waivers for truck drivers. These waivers temporarily relaxed hours of service rules, allowing drivers to delivering essential supplies to stay on the road longer. The goal was simple: keep home fuel flowing, keep homes warm, keep communities alive. But even under emergency rules, safety remained critical. Drivers were still required to operate responsibly, because one mistake on icy roads could be fatal. Behind every stern statistic is a human story. Families forced to leave their homes, workers battling exhaustions, drivers pushing through dangerous conditions to deliver life-saving supplies. These disasters remind us how precarious modern life can be and how much we depend on preparation, cooperation, and resilience. Scientists warn that extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and more intense. What we are witnessing today may not be an exception, but a warning. As America recovers from snowstorms, floods, and mudslides, one question remains: are we ready for what comes next? If you found this documentary informative, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-world stories that matter. Thank you so much for watching the video.